White Label NFT Marketplace, flaunt your ideas with fascinating Web 3.0 technology. Were you too swept away by the flourishing NFTs? Do not conceal your desires anymore. Walk through the pathway of success through our customizable White Label NFT Marketplace. We guide you right from starting with the NFT marketplace development process to marketing your brands and making you be in the spotlight. Interesting stat: NFT market is worth more than $22 billion. And it expeditiously grows by 20x faster every year, and still many to go. Undeniably, it is true that NFT has captivated a unique place in the crypto enthusiasts' hearts. And now, with a tailor-made solution, entrepreneurs, like you, can move ahead one level higher in the NFT market, as well. Turnkey Town has mastered the essence of curating an NFT marketplace as per the enterprise client's request. To name some of our white label NFT marketplace development solutions: OpenSea Clone, CryptoPunks Clone, Rarible Clone, Decentraland Clone, Foundation Clone, Super Rare Clone, BAYC Clone, Nifty Gateway Clone, Gods Unchained Clone, and any NFT marketplace you wish for. Through which way do we escalate the development process? Brainstorming, interacting, assimilating, and finalizing your business requirements. Implementing customization, tuning the platform as per your business needs. Decoding bugs, validating your requirements, and resolving bugs. Going live, making it live on the date you mark. How and what do you yield from White Label NFT platform? Commission fee, advertising fee, auction fee, listing fee. Numerous blockchain technologies are available, each carrying its unique identity and functionalities. Likewise, we can build your white label NFT marketplace on any blockchain. Typically, it can be built on Ethereum, Tron, Hyperledger, Polygon, Stellar, EOS, Polkadot, Cardano, Solana, OpenChain. You decide. We develop.